Now, let's go to the Senate in Congress.
Yeah.
I prefer unicameral Congress.
Unicameral.
Walang Senate, walang ano,
Congress. Yeah.
minsanan na lang. Isang Congress. Para yung resources ng government. Kasi yung nagdi-distribute ng pera, mga senators and congressmen It will equally be divided to the different districts of the entire country na hindi kagaya ng present situation na yung senator, wala siyang district.
Yeah.
Kung gusto niyang magbigay dito, ngunit ilan yung boto dito, hindi makakatulong sa kanya sa eleksyon. That's why yung binibigyan ng pabor, yung rich voting areas, that's why yung lumalabas, overdeveloped yung rich cities in provinces na malalaki yung boto, naniniglit yung countryside. Yan yung we have to correct that. So,
is it also high time to adopt the electoral college here?
Hindi, I do not agree with that. Tama na yung election natin na diretsahan lang. Ngunit, the unicameral Congress. Alternative, kasi baka mahirap naman yung sabihin nila walang Senate, but if we maintain 2 houses, senators should be elected by region. So that, hindi kagaya ng present situation, asan-asan ibibigay yung kanilang pondo. Yung kanilang allocation should go to the respective region. So that all the regions of the country will equally share from the revenues of government. So, yun lang. Now, then, sa local, alisin natin sa provision ng ating constitution yung terms ng elected officials except the president, the vice president, and senate. Yung members of Congress, kung sakaling unicameral, and the other elected officials, alisin natin as part of the Constitution yan. Ilagay natin sa ordinary law. Parang it's easier to amend. See, unfortunately, yung term of elected officials nakalagay sa Constitution That's why, nakita natin yung defecto sa 3 years only. Only in the Philippines na halos every year, election yung nangyayari. Sinisira tuloy ang politika yung ating economic growth and development. Kung ilagay sa ordinary law na 5 years, ngunit it must be complemented by the law on recall. Nakalagay din dyan na, okay, sa lugar na NPA yung binutuhan nilang NPA means non-performing asset. Okay. After 2 years, pwede silang i-recall. Ngunit sila lang ang mag-eleksyon, hindi all over the country, politika naman. Sila lang. Bakit, ganun ng